Hello everyone, I am ADHAM, and today me and my friends will be presenting about the computer network, and we'll start with the concept of the computer network itself. So let's go.
Computer network is a system that connects two or more computing devices for transmitting and sharing data, resources, and service electronically. It is a collection of communicating computers and other devices such as modems, smartphones, and computers. It may be considered as a branch of computer science, computer engineering, and telecommunications since it relies on the practical and theoretical application of the related disciplines.
Okay, so now I'm going to talk about the function of computer network. So in which the very first one is about the resource sharing. As we all know that data can be seamlessly be sent from one person to another person, and it can also be used to transfer data from one big organization to another big organization, which will allow all people across the world to be connected together, because we can share data much faster and more efficiently, and that's the first point. And the second one is about the reduction of errors. So as we all know, in the past, the data security is at a low stage in which your data is not really secure if you store it on the internet. But now, the security of the data and about the data integrity has increased by a lot, by a major upgrade, in which there's one thing that allows your data to be very secure, in which we call it two-factor authentication, in which it allows us to store our data much more safely as well. So that's one of the major advancements of the security in the computer network, to store our data. And the third one is about the expanded storage capability. So as you all know today, there's even a plan that allows you to even upgrade to a 6 terabytes of storage, in which that is a lot, and that is very suitable for the companies to opt for the plans and all that. So some of the major companies that include this iCloud storage, for example, are like the Apple company, which, as I said just now, it offers the iCloud data storage, and also like Microsoft, it also allows you to purchase the OneDrive, in which is very similar to iCloud as well. And this allows you to store more data much better than before. And the fourth function I want to talk about is about the resource availability and reliability. As we all know, on the internet today, or the computer network, the internet, it allows us to search for information in the search engines like the Google or even ChatGPT much better right now, in which we can literally get a lot of information in a fraction of seconds. And this will allow a lot of people to work more efficiently and and have a much better productivity. In which I believe me as a student, the internet has allowed me to do my research much more vigorously and more in a detailed manner, in which I think the internet has helped me a lot in this. So I think that's all for the 4 main functions of the computer network.
Next only, this network will be interconnected via wired connection or wireless connection. In wired connections, these devices are connected through physical cables such as Ethernet and optic fiber through optical signals. This offers faster and secure network. While for wireless connections, these devices are connected through radio signals wirelessly. This offers flexibility and mobility, while it may cause lag and interference.
Okay, next I would like to describe about topology. which is physical and logical layout and interconnections of devices and links within a computer network dictating how data flows between them. So it is simply means about how computer links together and how data flow between them. For bus topology, it is all devices that share a single same root. So if one way is broken, so all the devices are disrupted. The example for this is the old LAN connection. So next I will introduce about star topology, which is all devices are connected by the central hub. For example, nowadays Wi-Fi route is the main thing that use this star topology, which is if the Wi-Fi route is broken, so all the devices cannot connected together. But if the only single line is broken, so only that device cannot connect with each other, but the main will still connected. So for the last one, I will introduce about ring topology, which is all the devices are connected within a loop. For this topology, if one way is broken, so all the devices will affected.
Now we will dive into network protocols. It's a very network protocol in simple terms is about a set of rules that send and receive data in from one to another end of a devices, electronic devices. There are three main types of network protocols. First, we have network communication. It sets out the rules that how the data is transferred between devices. For example, we have FTP, which facilitates transfer of files between computers. Next, we will dive into network management. It will assist in describing policies that are used in monitoring, maintaining, and managing the computer network. For example, we have HTTPS on this for facilitating network communication through the internet. Third, we have network communication. It secures the data in passage over the network. It determines how the network secures data and for any unauthorized attempts to extract or edit new data. For example, we have IP Internet Protocol for this. Okay, finally, we have computer network device. These are physical components that facilitate communication and interaction between hardware within the computer network. In a basic start, we have hub. Basically, is a physical device that connects to multiple Internet Ethernet cable to facilitate network exchange to multiple devices. For next, we have the bridge, which facilitate traffic between two or more hubs or computer network and filter the content inappropriate within them. Next, we have router, which is basically an upgrade version of bridge, and basically it does the traffic filtering, the traffic controlling of the content, and filter out the inappropriate and unauthorized content within the computer network, while also enabling wireless or wired access within computer network. For example, we have Wi-Fi router for this that is able to facilitate communication between devices in a single hole. Most importantly, we have network cables. It's a physical medium that facilitates communication between the hubs, routers, and bridge.
So that's all from us. Thank you. Bye.